ตำบลบางพระเขตอำเภอศรีราชานี่มันจะเป็นพื้นที่ที่เหมาะกับการที่ปลูกสับปะรดเพราะว่าเป็นดินร่วนปนทรายปลูกแล้วสับปะรดจะเนื้อดีเนื้อสวยรสชาติดีหวานฉ่ำ
In general, Thai people, they cook with the pineapple. It's kind of the snack or starter of Thai. In my way, I want to cook something different.
For the famous thing that I know about pineapple is the khao pad pineapple. It's very famous.
They're super delicious, that's what I've heard. And as a cook, I think that's the most important to know. So India is again, we have a tropic climate like Thailand. So we have pineapple, but we've always, mostly it's just eaten as a fruit, a fresh fruit.
Normally, the Thai people, they cook the pineapple with a baby bamboo shoot.
Okay.
They make the curry or sometimes they stir fry with the curry paste and they put some protein that they can fry.
So I think it's such a complex way to use pineapple. So many ways uses as the sweet component of a dish. I think that's a very clever way to use the fruit.
In your country, do you use the pineapple in the dessert?
Yeah, we do actually. We do have a lot of that pineapple candies, but probably something that we have adapted over the years more in modern times than previously. How would you do a pineapple dessert? Tell me so I can put it on my menu. No? Let's taste. Let's eat some pineapple. That sounds good.
ทำสับปะรดมานานแล้วครับประมาณ40 กว่าปีทำที่แรกทำอ้อยทำมันเนี่ยมันขาดทุนนะเลยหันมาปลูกสับปะรดปลูกก็มันดีนะเขาก็เลยทำมาตลอดเพราะทำไร่มาตั้งแต่ปี15มั้งเริ่มทำมาอายุ10 กว่าขวบเนี่ยตอนนี้60แล้วอ่ะไม่เคยหยุดปลูกมาตลอดเพราะไม่มีอะไรนะเมื่อก่อนก็สร้างตัวมาจากมันเนี่ยสับปะรดมันใช้ได้หลายอย่างทั้งต้นเนี่ยใช้ได้หมดเลยนะเนื้อเนี่ยก็จะส่งแม่ค้าขายผลสดที่เหลือก็เข้าโรงงานแล้วก็แป้งที่ไปหมักเนื้อให้นุ่มญี่ปุ่นจะชอบซื้อ
So everything is used.
Everything we can use.
Yeah, for us, pineapple, it's always more savory than sweet. And even when it's sweet, it's always itchy. But in Thai cuisine, you always use a lot of fruits in your savory section. This is something which is amazing in Thai food. So yeah, we're gonna do a chilled pineapple curry. We have some seaweed oil, we have some peppercorn oil, we have this hovor oil from the north of Thailand, and then a little bit of pork floss, curry leaf oil, some tomatoes, and the pineapple, which is blended with the peppercorn oil.
Wow.
Looks nothing like a curry.
So I will do the salad we call sang wa gung. This one is not original style, and I use the pineapple in a part of my sang wa.
Sure.
So I will bake the pineapple,
Okay.
and then I will smoke with the rice, and then I will chop a little bit to mix with the somsa skin, kaffir leaves, lemongrass, ginger. Actually, the sang wa no need coconut milk, but I want because I need flavor. It's like harmonious with the pineapple, right?
Sure.
And this one, I marinate scallop with the pineapple juice and the ginger.
I want to make something that represents the Sriracha pineapple but mixed with the Thai herb. So inside we have Sriracha pineapple with the puree with the galanga, and then after we're gonna eat with the chili, salt, coconut foam with the pineapple. So you're gonna get like a lot of the spice and a lot of flavor inside. This one is the mini pineapple. Inside we have the pineapple insert that I mixed with the galanga. The outside is lemongrass, coconut mousse. Also the foam here is salted chili, coconut foam.
So I have for you guys today a cool and a chill pineapple curry with crab. Yeah, inspiration from Gang Kwok Kapro. You guys are so bad, man.
For me, I make the salad dish. I make them from the old recipe, but this one is like modern style. Mixed with some coconut dressing to give more creamy flavor. Core of the pineapple, the texture is like bamboo and crunchy a little bit. So and mixed with the herbs.
All right, here we go, guys.
So we're supposed to start with the salad first.
Yeah, let's start with the salad.
Let's mix together.
Mix everything together.
Yeah.
So good. I think I got a chili.
You just take the chili away.
No, I like the chili.
Okay.
I was surprised. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
The smokiness coming from the smoked pineapple, no?
Yeah. Okay, now
very
I'm gonna taste yours.
Yeah, here, please, guys.
I love it.
Yeah?
I like the flavor of the curry with the pineapple. I think it's like the perfect combination.
Oh, so good. It's super nice. Are you gonna put it on the menu soon? It's really great, chef.
อร่อย At least we know about how to check the pineapple. It is the correct way to check the pineapple.
Yeah, for me, it's always been that wherever you have a restaurant in the world, it should reflect that. For example, Garwa to be, I don't know, in somewhere in Europe, it would taste very different from what it does. Or rather, it would have very different ingredients. That, I think, is one of the most important points of a restaurant, that it should reflect where it is in. So, yeah, I think using local ingredients, it's not a novelty, it's a basic thing.
So for us, it's like we can prove that the Thai local product and the fruit from Thailand is the base. We have to do something like news and another style. It's like you create your dish with pineapple, like a little bit Indian, right? And inspire a lot of the modern cuisine.
For me, as a Thai people, I think back to myself like, I am Thai. We have this thing in our land. Why we don't use this to make something like the other like appreciate?
Absolutely.
Because for Thai people, they're gonna think like, yeah, it's cheap. It's not like don't have value.
But we can make it. We can make it happen.
That's it.